guess what I'm driving today? What could it be? Do you already know? Well, yes, it's a rocket. Well done. Great job. Rockets are amazing machines that can travel all the way into space. They are much more powerful than airplanes because they don't need air to fly. Instead, rockets carry their own fuel and oxygen, so they can work even where there is no air at all, like in space. Rockets can carry astronauts, satellites, and even supplies to space stations. Some rockets are so tall, they are as high as a big building. I'm coloring my rocket red and blue, but you can color your rocket any way you like. Great job! What will I draw next? What could it be? Wait! Can you guess what I'm going to draw next? Put on your thinking caps. What do you think I will draw next? What could it be? Can you guess? Can you guess what I'm drawing now? What could it be? Do you already know? It swims underwater and has a periscope. What is it? Do you know? Yes, it's a submarine. Great job! A submarine is a special boat that can travel underwater for a long time. Unlike normal ships, submarines can dive deep below the surface of the ocean. They use special tanks that fill with water to sink and fill with air to raise back up. Submarines have very strong walls, so the water pressure doesn't crush them. Inside, sailors can sleep, eat and work, just like in a tiny underwater home. I'm going to color my submarine yellow, and through its periscope I will check if there's any danger around us. Great job! What's next? What do you think? And now? What can it be? What do you think? What is it? It's a fast vehicle. What could it be? It has sleek shape. Yes, it's a race car. You're such great guesses. Well done. Race cars are built for one thing: speed. They are much faster than normal cars because they are lighter and shaped to move smoothly through the air. Well done! If you would like to have fun coloring, dear parents, you can find the coloring page in the description. I am going to color my fast car red and blue. What do you think? See you in the next episode. Bye!